Hey everyone, it's Todd here from Baking with Fox Hallow Kitchen. Join me today as I attempt to revisit one of our old recipes that we might have had a little bit of failure with, only on Baking with Fox Hallow Kitchen. Fox Hallow Fam, I'm Todd, and welcome to Baking with Fox Hallow Kitchen. This week, as I said, we're revisiting one of our recipes that we may have had a little issue with in the past. This week, I'm going to show you how to make mince pies. They're simple, easy, and of course, so good. We may have tweaked a little bit, but you know, they're going to be good. So if you're ready, then let's have some fun. Alright Dave, now you know well enough that I'm not one to let stuff alone.
Okay.
So that's why we are revisiting our mince pies debacle from what? About 2 months ago?
A couple months ago, yeah.
So yeah. First off, we're going to start off with 1 3/4 cup of flour.
Okay.
In our food processor here.
Okay.
Next, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar.
Okay.
And then 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. And we're just going to pulse this together here quick. Just to get everything combined.
Okay.
I think that's pretty good there.
Okay.
Then we are going to add 2/3 cup of butter, which you've been nice enough to have in the freezer here and cut into small pieces. And just like any time we do dough with the food processor, we are going to pulse this until we get fine breadcrumbs.
Okay.
Some of the butter's stuck here.
That's good. That's okay.
Stuck to the plate. With 1 tablespoon of orange zest.
Okay.
Let's see how we did here.
Check it out. Got breadcrumbs. Looks like it.
Yeah, I think we're heading in the right direction here. Okay. So let's go ahead and get ready for the next step. Alright, now that we've got our finally looking breadcrumbs here, I'm just going to take a little bit of ice water at a time and just add it to our mixture here. And kind of mix it together until we've got a dough starting to form.
Okay.
It may take a little bit of time, but when it comes together, it works out real nice.
Okay.
Let's see here. Not quite, so let's keep on working at it.
Okay.
Alright, I'm going to go ahead and work on this, and then we will go ahead and get ready to move on. Alright, great. We got a dough forming, so I'm going to go ahead and get this out of the container, and we'll move on.
Okay.
Alright, now that we've got our dough formed, we can go ahead and get it out of the container here. The cool thing with this dough, and I just noticed it myself, is you can actually see the little bits of orange zest in the dough. You see the little orange specks, Dave?
Yeah, yeah.
And we're just going to go ahead and form the dough into a ball here on a lightly floured surface. And then I'm going to roll it out until it's about 3/16 of an inch.
Okay.
And then we're going to cut some circles in, okay?
Okay.
Alright guys, so now you see that I'm kind of working our dough here a little bit. It's still a little crumbly, but I'm just going to kind of take my time with it and work with it gently. And get it to 3/16. How do you think I'm doing here, Dave, with
Looks
it?
good. It's holding together.
Yeah, that's definitely a good sign considering what the disaster we had last time.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and work the dough here a little bit, and then get ready and cut some circles out.
Okay, great.
All right. Now that we've got our dough rolled out here, I'm gonna go ahead and cut some circles here. See how many we can get here, Dave.
Okay.
Looking good so far.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to go ahead and cut out some circles here, and then we'll get ready and get our muffin pan ready to roll here.
Okay.
So we can start filling these with the mincemeat filling.
Okay.
All right, let's go ahead and do it. All right, next up, now that we've got all our circles cut out here, I'm going to go ahead and press some of these down into our muffin pan here, which I think a lot of you guys know last time they did not want to cooperate very well.
Some in there and the whole way up the sides.
Yeah.
That's the tricky part.
Which, all honesty, they're kind of coming in a lot, honestly, a lot better.
Uh-huh.
I mean, Dave, you can even check it here, too.
Okay.
I'm kind of having flashbacks to whenever we did the, what was the
pork pies.
The pork pies, yeah.
Yeah, they're like the pork pies.
It's going to take some time here to kind of work them around.
Oh,
and
yeah.
I'm going to go ahead and get these pressed in, and then we'll get ready and fill them.
Okay.
All right, let's go ahead and do it. All right, everything looks good here, so let's go ahead and get our mince pie filling.
Mm-hmm.
And we are going to spoon in the filling to leave about, you say about a quarter of an inch, Dave?
Leave a good bit at the top that's probably enough right there. Yeah, leave a good bit at the top so we can seal them.
How do you think with the second one?
Maybe a little bit more, maybe. There you go.
And the first time we tried the filling, seeing as that we've never had mince pies before, what'd you think?
Oh, the filling is awesome. Mince pie filling is just terrific.
Yeah, so I'm glad our friend Dave over in the United Kingdom actually recommended us making these. Yep, so I'm going to go ahead and finish filling these, and then we will get ready and seal them.
Okay.
All right, Dave, I think we did pretty good getting these.
Nice and even. Yep.
Yes. They definitely are a major improvement for what we did last time. So.
Yeah, so we'll give them a shot here.
So, yes. Lastly, I'm going to go ahead and kind of work the dough here a little bit. And try and stretch it out just a tad bit.
Right.
So we can kind of get it on top here. I mean, I'm not going to be necessarily perfect with this. I mean, that's the idea. I just want to seal them well enough
seal them together.
That they're not really going to go boom or anything.
Okay.
I mean, how do you think I did with that first one?
That looks good. Yeah, just get them all like that. Stretch it out a little bit.
Yeah, it may take some time here. Then I believe we're going to be brushing some egg on this next.
Yeah, we can do that. Brush some egg on them.
Okay. Let's go ahead and get that ready.
Okay.
All right, we are getting on to our last one here. And Dave, are you excited to try these finally?
Oh yeah, real excited to try them.
Yeah, I think both you and I will agree. We were both kind of really disappointed we weren't able to really try these last time whenever we made them. I think I was pretty devastated.
Yeah.
But you live and you learn, and you come back and try again.
Okay.
I mean, how do you think that went last
That looks really good.
Okay. And before I put them in the oven here, I'm going to brush the tops here with a little bit of egg.
Just a little bit of egg.
And then I'm going to bake these at 400 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. And hopefully we have some major success here.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I'm definitely excited to try these, and yeah, we'll go ahead and do it.
Okay, sounds good.
always, it's now time for my favorite part, the taste test. So let's see how we did here. Get a little bit of the crust in the filling here. Oh my gosh, you guys, pure perfection. You guys are gonna love it. Enjoy. Wrapping up today, I want to thank you again for joining me and encourage you to check out our friends and support channels listed in the description below. But before I go, always remember, it's good times and good food on Baking with Fox Hallow Kitchen. I'll see y'all soon. If you like this video or any of our other videos,
be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons and stay tuned for future shows.